This is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. Today we're taking a first look at the highly anticipated Pit Boss battery-powered portable grill. I've been really excited to try this out, especially because of its portability and the promise of delicious wood-fired flavor without the need for a power outlet. I've already removed the grill from its box, but I haven't opened it up yet, so we can explore it together for the first time. Let's see what this grill has to offer. Okay, let's start by removing this promotional sticker. Now let's see what's inside. As I open the lid, I'm impressed by how Pit Boss has utilized every inch of space to keep the shipping box compact. Everything looks well protected and organized. It's clear that they've put a lot of thought into the design and packaging. First, make sure you have all the parts laid out in front of you. This includes the grill base, cooking grates, heat baffles, drip pan, battery pack, and any additional accessories. With all the components removed from the enclosure, carefully flip the grill over to access the underside. Ensure a stable surface to prevent any damage. Next, attach the battery holder with integrated legs to the left side of the grill. Ensure the cable is inserted securely and without any kinks or bends. This will prevent potential damage to the cable and ensure optimal battery performance. Once the battery holder is securely attached, carefully position the remaining two legs on the right side of the grill. Ensure they're aligned correctly and fit snugly into their designated slots. With the legs attached, carefully flip the grill back over to an upright position. Check to ensure the legs are firmly planted on the table and provide a stable base for the grill. Once the grill is upright and stable, attach the handle to the front of the grill. This will provide a convenient way to open and close the lid. Next, secure the grease collector to the designated right side of the grill. This will help to contain any grease or drippings that may accumulate during cooking. The final step is to install the drip pan, flame broiling plate, and cooking grates. Carefully slide the drip pan into place at the bottom of the grill. Then, position the broiling plate on top of the drip pan and secure the cooking grates on top. Ensure all components are properly aligned and fitted before using the grill. Preparing your Pit Boss battery-powered portable grill. Open the hopper lid and ensure there are no foreign objects obstructing the auger feed system. Load the hopper with all natural hardwood barbecue pellets. Plug the power cord into a power source. Turn on the grill and set the temperature control dial to smoke or low. Ensure the auger is turning by listening for a tinkling sound as pellets enter the burn pot and feeling for air movement above the burn pot. Avoid placing hands or fingers inside the burn pot. If you do not hear pellets entering the burn pot, press and hold the prime button until you hear pellets drop, then release the prime button. Performing a first-time grill burn-off. Follow the regular steps of opening the lid, checking the pellet hopper, and turning on the grill. Turn the temperature control dial to any temperature above 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the lid closed for 30 to 40 minutes. This will burn off any foreign matter on the grill. After the burn-off, follow the shutdown instructions to turn off the unit. Allow it to cool completely before cleaning the grill grates and drip pan. Your grill is now ready for its first cook. For my first cook on my new portable Pit Boss grill, I chose a classic, party ribs. They're easy to prepare, and the half-foil pan I used fit perfectly on the cooking grate. After prepping the ribs, I smoked them for an hour. I then wrapped them in foil and cooked for 1 more hour. The cooking time was around 2 hours, and the results were fantastic. The ribs were tender, juicy, and had a great smoky flavor. It was the perfect way to break in my new grill and enjoy a delicious meal. Conclusion: the Pit Boss battery-powered portable pellet grill is a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Its portability, combined with the versatility of pellet grilling, makes it a convenient and enjoyable option for backyard chefs. The grill's ability to maintain consistent temperatures, even with battery power, is a significant advantage. Whether you're grilling steaks, smoking ribs, or roasting vegetables, this grill delivers impressive results. Its compact design and easy-to-use controls make it a great choice for both seasoned grillers and beginners. Beyond backyard grilling, The Pit Boss battery-powered portable pellet grill is also ideal for tailgating. Enjoy delicious, home-cooked food at sporting events without the hassle of traditional grilling setups. Camping. Cook up hearty meals in the great outdoors without sacrificing flavor or convenience. RVing. Maximize your RV's space with this compact and portable grill, allowing you to enjoy delicious meals on the road. If you're looking for a portable pellet grill that offers exceptional performance and convenience for a variety of outdoor activities, the Pit Boss battery-powered portable pellet grill is highly recommended. I hope this video was informative and helped you learn more about the world of barbecue. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time.